Today we are discussing on distance between two plane and distance between two skew lines. Okay, so there are two and three examples on based on this logic. Okay, you see this one diagram, be part of this diagram. This is a plane one, plane two. To calculate distance between two planes, which is this distance. Means you have at this point, you have at this point, then you apply the formula distance between two planes. So these two planes are parallel to each other. Okay. Now see, yesterday we discussed on this formula the point and a plane. Distance between point and a plane. With simple direct formula. We discussed example 6 and example 7. Now, look example 9. Okay, you see example 9. In example 8, recalling now distance between this point and this plane. Again, in example 9, here two plane are given, plane 1 and plane 2. Okay, you see this one, this plane. The normal vector say n1 is this 1, 2, minus 2. And the normal vector of this plane is this. Okay, 2, 4, minus 4. Which are parallel to each other. Because this vector is the 2 times of this vector. It means these two vectors parallel. Because this vector is 2 times of this vector. Now, find the distance between two planes. Okay, find the distance between two planes. Simply, you have formula to find the distance between planes. So we can select a arbitrary point on the plane and compute its distance by setting y equals to z equals to 0 in equation first. That is 2 plus x plus 2y plus 2z equals to 3. Then the point is then the point is this. Then you apply distance formula by theorem. This one. You apply here this theorem. Ax naught plus by naught plus cz naught plus d upon under root a square plus b square plus c square. You will see this one. So d is 1 by 6. Okay. So this is the method you calculate distance between two planes. In any one plane, you select the arbitrary point. This one, y equals to z equals to 0. So this is simple formula. Now, come to example 10. To find distance between two skew lines. You see this example 10 is very important for your exam. Given two lines. An example third of section 11.5. Okay, this example is given. First line is this x equals to 1 plus 40, y equals to 5 minus 40, or z equals to minus 1 plus 5t. Second one, x equals to 2 plus 80, y equals to 4 minus 3t, or z equals to 5 plus t. First, so this line is Q, then find the distance between in two lines. Okay. So see, as you see this diagram, the plane P1 and plane P2. You know very well about the equation of line in parametric form. X equals to x naught plus a time t. To compare this one, what is your x naught? X naught is 1, a is 4. Again, you see this one, y equals to y naught minus 40. The y naught is 5. Then z equals to, this is your z naught. The corresponding normal vector of this line, this one. Stage point is q1, 1, 5 minus 1. Then you from line 2, which is 2, 4, 5. So 2, 4, 5. This line says L1, L2. Okay. So let P1, P2 denote to parallel plane containing L1 and 2 respectively as it is given. Find the distance between L1 and L2. So we will calculate the distance from a point P1 to plane P2. This line L1 lie in plane P1. So we can find a point in P1 by finding a point on line L1. Okay. So we can do this substituting any value, the parameter t in parametric equation L1. We choose here t equals to 0. Means our target, here t is the arbitrary value. Choose here t equals to 0. This is not a fixed value. Choose here 0. This 0, choose on our region, calculation should be easy. So this is your t is 0. Then this point is this point. Okay. Now, the next step to find the equation plane P2, then put here 0 in this line. This point is this. Okay. Therefore, line L1, L2. Similarly, to find a vector. See, if I'm the vector, this is therefore the also parallel to line A3 minus 1 L2. So hence the distance between 2 points is P1 P2. To first find the normal vector to U1 U2 with the help of this one. The normal vector which is normal to plane P1 and P2. Then using this for point this one by setting at t equals to 0. Then equation of plane corresponding this and pass through the point this and this is this. Now q1 equals to this point. Then you apply a direct formula, distance formula. This is your required distance. Okay. In exercise, to try some questions. Question 15, 16, 17, 18, and 25 to 34, 47, 48. These are the questions for this exercise. Now we discuss resting on next class. Okay? Actually, question 37, 38, you also try.